Let's proceed to graphing linear equations in two variables using 2 points. Okay, so as you can see here, I made a Cartesian plane in which you have the vertical axis, the y, and the horizontal axis, the x-axis. Plus, when you're going to make a Cartesian plane in your graphing paper, see to it to follow the same distance among your, or you evenly divide your x-axis and y-axis. So if you use 1 unit, you use 1 unit all throughout. If you're used to 2 units, you use 2 units all throughout. Okay, let's have example. Y equals x plus 2. Okay, when you use 2 points, mean to say you're going to find 2 points in order to graph the linear equation. So in finding 2 points, you will just let it's either your x or your y. So here you can since this is express y in terms of x, so you can let your x to any value. Example, let x be equal to 1. Okay, you solve. Y equals, substitute, x is 1 plus 2. So y plus 2, that is 3. So y. So now you have a point that is 1, 3. Okay, let's get the other point. Okay, another one, let x be equals to, okay, I'll just give you technique class. You use smaller numbers so that it's easy for you to solve the other variable. How about -1? So, okay, substitute. Y equals, your x is -1 plus 2. So, you have your -1 plus 2, that is 1. So, now you have a point which is -1, 1. And then plot the points. Start with -1, 1. Okay, so this is found in quadrant 4. It's -1, 1. Sorry, that's incorrect. -1 is the x, so it's not in quadrant 4, this is quadrant 2. -1 is the x coordinate, 1 is the y, so -1, 1. And then 1, 3. 1, 3. So that is found in quadrant 1, 3. Found in quadrant 1. And then next is connect the 2 points. So as you can see, class, I put 2 arrows at the end because this line mean to say it is infinite, so it continues. So do not forget to write line. So this is the graph for y equals x plus 2. Let's have another example. You have there the given y equals -3x plus 4. Okay, again, you let any values for x, it's up to you. Okay, you can use here 1 still because it's easy to graph when you use smaller numbers. Substitute -3 times your x is 1 plus 4. So therefore, Negative 3 times 1, it is negative 3 plus 4. So therefore, y is negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So you have an ordered pair that is x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 1. So 1, 1. Let's have another one. Let x be equals to 2. So substitute y equals negative 3 times your x is 2 plus 4. So negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6 plus 4. That is negative 2. So your y is negative 2. So meaning you have an ordered pair 2, negative 2. And then you connect. You plot the points first. 1, 1, that is found in quadrant 1. Next, 2, negative 2. 2 is the x. Okay, found in quadrant 4. 2, negative 2. And then connect. Okay, connect the 2 points. Okay. Okay. And this is the graph of y equals negative 3x plus 4. Third example. So you have your 2x minus 3y equals 6. Class, you can also let y to any values and you find the value. And you find the value of x. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so let y, you can have, okay, let's start 1. It's very easy. Substitute minus 3 times 1 equals 6. So 2x, 3 times 1 is 3. And then you transpose 3, it becomes 6 plus 3. So you have your 2x equals 6 plus 3, that is 9. So you divide 2 each term. 9 divided by 2. So you have x equals 9 over 2, or that is just 4 and a half. So you have an ordered pair now. 1, x first. So 4 and a half, or 9 over 2, 1. Okay? Next. So let's have here another one. Let y be equals to negative 1. Let's try that. Substitute 2x minus 3 times negative 1 equals 6. So 2x, negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 equals 6. So 2x, transpose 3, it becomes negative 3. So 2x equals 6 minus 3, that is 3. So you divide each term by 2. So meaning x is 3 halves, or 1 and a half. So you have an ordered pair, which is 1 and a half, negative 1. Okay, let's plot the points. 1 and a half, negative 1. So 1 and a half is between 1 and 2. So here, 1 and a half to negative 1. So here, this is 1 and a half, negative 1. And then next, 4 and a half, that's between 4 and 5. 4 and a half, 1. So 4 and a half, 1. So here. So then, connect the 2 points. Okay, so this is the graph of 2x minus 3y equals 6. Okay, again, you can let x to any numbers so that you can get the values of your y. On the other hand, you can also let your y to any values, and then you can get any values for your x with respect to the given y of yours. Okay, thank you. God bless.